Hi, my dear students. Let us begin mathematics class. Today we are learning about the introduction of algebra. Dear students, it is a mathematics subject. One part is algebra. There are three parts. One is arithmetic, algebra and geometry. So we must know what is algebra. Dear students, according to the mathematics, algebra is the study of mathematical symbols, and for manipulating these symbols we are using algebra. For manipulating these symbols we are using algebra. Dear students, in a common language I can say that algebra, after when you learn the algebra, even you feel that you will get this type of experience that algebra is a great fun. You get to solve puzzle. My dear students, you may think that what is algebra? Algebra is just great fun. You can solve puzzles here. Hope every child is very much interested to solve the puzzles. But are you thinking how to solve puzzle in algebra? Dear students, algebra is just like one of the game that is finding unknown person who is, for example, we can take the example of police and robber. The police will be not knowing that who is the robber, but later he can catch the robber. In the same way, algebra also. Dear student, a puzzle. What is a puzzle? What is the missing number? You can find out a missing number. You know that now the box is given here. -5 is equal to 2. You can find out the answer. What is the answer? By which number? Now the number is here missing. I mean the robber is missing. So we are going to find out the robber. In this way, who is that person? Or which number it is? -5. If any number, if you subtract 5, answer is 2. So you can easily find out that answer is 7. In algebra, dear, we all are learning these things. But in algebra, this blank box, we use a letter. What we use? We use a letter. Usually an X or Y. But any letter. We can use the any letter M, N, any alphabet letter. But here usually we use X, Y. It has become common. So we are using X and Y. So we write that Y minus 5. The same thing I have written Y minus 5. Now you know the value of Y, that is 7. So in this way we are finding the unknown person value or unknown letter, which is we don't know. That value we are going to find out in the algebra. Dear students, hope you understood what is algebra. Algebra is just like a fun, just like a solving the puzzle. Now, what this letter indicates, dear students? The letter indicates unknown person or unknown value. In the mathematics, unknown value. That is, we call it in mathematics variable. What we call variable. Let us see that. Now here I have taken x minus 3 is equal to 5. What is x value? Here x value is, by which number if you subtract you will get 5. 8 minus 3 you will get 5. Here x is 8, y is 7. In this way these values are going to be changed. So that's what these letters we call it as variable. There is no fixed value for these letters. If you take the same letter also, there is no fixed value. It changes according to the situation, according to the given problem. So these letter we consider as unknown. That unknown letter we call it as variable. Why we call it as variable? Because there is no fixed value for these letters, so we call it as variable. Now let us see the another thing in the algebra. One word we usually use variable, another word we use expression. This x minus 3 we call it as expression. It expresses something, so we named as expression. Even your face express few things, right? When you are sad, happy, in the same way here x minus 3 express something, so we call it as expression, x minus 3. But when there is equal symbol, when there is x minus 3 is equal to 5, this is we call it as equation. What we call? Equation. Why we call it as equation? Because here there is a equal symbol, so we call it as equation. Dear students, hope you understood what is algebra, and it is just like a puzzle. You can consider as a game, but you can enjoy this subject algebra, finding the unknown value. It is very interesting to learn, my dear students. So after saying this, x minus 3 is equal to 5, x minus 3 is one of the equation. These are simple. So today onwards, let us learn the new lesson, that is simple equation. The new lesson name is simple equation. Hope you understood what is simple equation. If there is equal symbol, then we have to call it as simple equation. Now let us begin in the algebra part. Simple equation. Now as I given the example, x minus 3 is equal to 5. In this equation we can see there are two parts. Equal is in the center, and these two are the parts. This part we name it as LHS, this part we name it as RHS. What do you mean LHS? Left hand side, right hand side. In this way, in the equation, equal symbol makes there are two parts. One is left hand side, another one is right hand side. This is we call it as equation. Now what is equation? An equation is a condition. It is one of the condition on the variable. That condition must be on a variable. Such two expression in the variable should have equal value. An equation is one of the condition on the variable. The condition will be on the variable. Such two expression you will get in the variable should have equal value. See, for example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. This can be written another equation. 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. If you find the x value, you will get the same value here, because it is equation. It is written in the just in a different form, so you will get x value in the both same. So they are saying in the definition, in the variable should have equal value. In the variable it should have the equal value. In the next, when we are learning time, we will understand better. But here we use x. X is a variable. What is variable? A variable taken on different numerical values. A variable taken on different numerical values. Its values is not fixed. As I just now told you, these values are not fixed. Variables are denoted by different letters, that is x, y, m, n. Any letter can be used. So in this way, a variable taken as a not in a different numerical value. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted by letters of the different alphabet. Hope you understood what is algebra, and in the simple equation what is equation and variable. Here we will get there are two parts, that is left hand side and right hand side. Okay my dear students, thank you.